Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this video we will be learning about tally marks. They are also called as tally chart. Now the most important thing is what actually is this tally mark. Now what do we understand by a tally mark? Now tally marks are a quick way of keeping track of numbers in group of 5. So what are tally mark? We keep track of numbers, and how do we do that? In a group of 5. So this group of 5 is very important in tally marks. Now how do we keep a track? It's very simple. What do we do? One vertical line is made for each of the first 4 numbers. The fifth line is represented by a diagonal line across the previous one. Now, how do we do that? You can see in the diagram. This is one tally mark for 2, for 3, for 4, and the fifth one. So, how do we do it? I'll show it to you. For example, I want to represent 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the fifth one is very simple. Just strike them. So, this is how we do tally marking. Now, the next thing is, this is how I have shown it to you how to do tally marks. The tally marks till number 10. So this is for 1, 2, this is for 3, this is for 4, and this one 5. The fifth one is striked. Then 6. So these are 5, these are 5, and then plus 1. So these are again 5 and plus 2. So 7. 5 plus 3. So 8. 5 plus 4. So 9. And these are 5 and 5. So plus, which is 10. Now let's see few more things about tally mark. Now the important thing is, where do we use these tally marks? Now the common thing where we use tally mark is the sports or games. Now in that, what do we need? Why do we need tally marks? It's because the sets changes and they have to record it. So tally marks are most useful in counting or tallying ongoing results such as the score in a game or sport, as number intermediate results need to be erased or discarded, which means that the result which is in between is not to be deleted or discarded. So they have to be preserved. They need to be there to decide the final result. And that is where we require tally mark. Now another is for surveys. Now there also, for doing survey we use tally mark. Now what kind of survey? Maybe uh, on a busy highway, a person want to count how many cars are, people are using of which company. So for that it can be a tally mark. Maybe color, the most popular color, that could also be a tally mark, and so on. So these things can be used for tally mark. Now this is again one example how tally marks are done. So this is the once various sports are given, and then how many number of students are liking these sports. So here number of student is what? Frequency. Now what does frequency mean? Frequency means number of times. Now what does frequency mean? Frequency means number of time. So that is your frequency. Now it's very important thing in a graph that we should know what does the word frequency means. It means number of time. So here we could say that maybe 5 is the number of student, and that is the frequency, how many times badminton is repeating, how many students are liking it. Cricket is liked by 10, football is liked by 4, hockey 1, tennis 3, volleyball it is 7. So this is how we use tally mark. So the important thing to remember is we use telemark for various purpose, and it is among the statistic which are, Venn diagram, graphs and all. Telemark is the most famous because it's very quick to keep track of the numbers. So with this, thank you everyone. Please do